Good afternoon, dears. Mute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Now we are okay. Now we have to start now. Listen. I'm going to start first. Clock. K. Clock. Answers, please. King. Okay. Goat. Goat. Hurry up, hurry up. Tea. Okay. Apple. Apple. Egg. Okay. Again, G. God. God. Dog. Dress. Okay. Dress. S. Snake. Snake. Do it fast. Snake. Ear. Ring. Ring. Now your turn. Ring. Gate. E. Energy. 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 Y. Yellow. Very good. W for me. Win. 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 Neck. Isn't it? Neck. Kid. Kid. D for you. D for dog. D.
Letter only you have to give the
Doctor.
answers, okay?
Doctor. Okay.
University or R. You have to give the
Rose.
word start with R.
Rose. E. E for you. E for you all.
Very good.
Elephant. T. Trunk. Trunk. K for you all. K. Trunk. K. Again, kite. King. Okay, dear. Thank you so much. Kettle. I'm getting a new answer. Kettle. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now this is the time for our class. Get ready. Sit straight. Sit straight. Sit straight, all of you dears. Okay. Now we are going to see a tail. Already we saw a tail, right? What is that? What was that? What was the tail name? We already learnt in lesson 1, chapter 1. Tell me now. Yeah, Little John. Robin Hood meets Little John. So like this, now we are going to see a one more tale. So before that, I have a few questions to you all. So text me. What is mean by lie? Lie. L-I-E. What is mean by lie, my dears? Tell me, what is the meaning of lying? L-I-E. Opposite to true, not true. Very good. Yeah. Untrue, false. Yeah, very good. Hiding something, isn't it? So, lying means untrue. Okay, then. What is the meaning of truth? What is the meaning of true? Real. Very good. What happened actually? Isn't it? What actually happened? Like this and all. Okay, what is the honesty? What is mean by honesty? Hurry up. Text me fast. True. To be true. Truthful. Yeah, very good. Trust. Loyal. Isn't it? Okay, and one more question. What is mean by wise? What is mean by wise? W-I-S-E. Wise. Brainy. Then brave. Smart. Yeah, clever. Very good, children. Wise man. Brave man. Clever man. We saw the Robin Hood, no? Robin Hood also the wise man. Brave man, isn't it? So why am I asking all this and all, dears? Tell me now. Why am I asking all this and all? Why ma'am ask what is mean by lying? What is mean by true? What is mean by honesty? What is wise? What is the wise man? Tell me now. Because it all related to our tale today. Okay, children? Can you have any scene who never say lied? Who never lied? Can you have anybody seen a man who never lied? Your mother. Very good, Ramakrishnan. What about yourself? Harichandran. Okay. Oh, King. Harichandran King. Okay, children. Try yourself also. Okay. Ma'am, Stella ma'am. Stella ma'am.
Tell me, Silva ma'am, tell me.
Ma'am, can you share the PPT, ma'am?
Asking me to.
I can't do that, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Wait.
I will change.
Okay, children. Today we are going to see a tale. What is the tale? Do you all remember that? Ma'am already told you, right? What is the tale? No, not a story. Story is the imagination or real person, okay? See, folk tale, Robin Hood story also the folk tale. What is the meaning of not real incident? Yes, actually, yeah, ma'am, it's visible. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, go to the first one, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Listen, children. Actually, folk tale. The Robin Hood story, also the folk tale. Do you all remember that? The story passed down from generation to generation. Okay. That is called the tale. That it's coming from the people to people mouth. Okay. That is called tale. So, listen. This is the tale. Lesson number 3. Repeat after me. The man who never lied. Once again, the man who never lied. This is the today's topic, dears. So in this tale, we are going to see a two person. One is Abu. See the first man who don't have the crown. He is called the Abu. The first one is Abu. The second one is the king. Okay. Okay. So in this tale, we are going to see these two characters. Next one, ma'am. So I already told you, right? This is a folk tale. It is an African folk tale. Okay, it is an African folk tale. Now let me see some facts about Africa. Do you know anything about Africa? Tell me now. Do you know anything about Africa? Africa is the African elephant, you know. Yeah, good. Then, poor people, nothing. Then, black man, okay. Then, okay. So I'm going to say, Africa is the world's second largest continent. Do you know the continent? What is the meaning of continent? Tell me now, what is the meaning of continent? Continent is the continuous expanded landform. Okay. So how many continents in the world? Tell me now. Yeah, very good, very good. I'm getting many answers. 7. Too smart you are. 7 continent. Okay. Africa is the one of the continent. Okay. We are living in which continent, dears? Tell me now. We are lives in which continent? Which continent we are lives in? Tell me now. Asia. Very good. We are in Asian continent. Okay. So listen. Now we have to see something about African continent. African continent is the world's second largest continent. Area wise as well as most population also. Okay. Okay. Now you know this is the second one. Which one is the first one? Which is the first largest continent by square and most population? Tell me now. Asia. Very good, Adrit. Asia. Okay, and one more information about Africa. Africa is the world's second largest, driest continent. Okay, Africa is the driest continent. Did you hear Sahara Desert? Yeah, it is located in Africa. Which is the longest river in the world? Text me now. Text me now. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile. Very good. It also Nile. It's located in Africa. Very good, children. Very good. I'm getting many answers. Next one, ma'am. See, African people. Okay, then. Now we are coming to the story. Sorry, tale. The man who never lied. The man who never lied. See, he is Abu. Okay, his name is Abu. A simple and wise person. We already told you wise. Wise means brave man. Okay, wise person named Abu who never lied in his life. See, Abu is a wise man, honest man. Okay, and he never lied. Okay, he always speaking truth only. He spoke truth. He is speaking truth. He will speak truth. Okay, these are the followers of Abus. Next one. Okay, listen. Look at the slide. Some people around the Abu, those are people lived in the country. Okay, so all the people know very well about his honest. Okay, all the people in the land knew about his honest. And next, so see, he is the of Africa. Sit on the chair. Yalini, mute yourself, Kanna. Okay. The king heard about Abu. One day, the king heard about Abu. What was that? Abu doesn't say the lying. He always speaking truth only. How it is possible? Same ideas. How it is possible? No. So, the king curious to meet his. Okay, the king curious to meet him. So, wanted to know more about that wise man. Okay, so one day the king, ma'am, next one. Okay. Stella, ma'am, next one, ma'am.
Yes,
He
ma'am.
ordered his
Can't you
subjects.
see there?
Yeah, ma'am, yeah, ma'am. He ordered his subjects to bring him to the palace. What is the meaning of subjects here? Subjects means people who work below the king. See, the two people are standing with the, I don't know, they are called as subjects. He ordered his subjects to bring him to the palace. So the king called the subject. Hello, who are you there? Come on. They call like this, okay? So, he ordered his objects to call him Abu. So the people, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the people is going to the Abu's place. Yeah, Abu's place and call him. Okay. So the subjects bring him to the voice breaking. Ma'am, my voice is breaking, ma'am.
No, not
Stella,
no,
ma'am?
Clear. Clear only.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay. So his subjects called the Abus. Okay, now Abus entered in the palace. See, now conversation begins now. Okay, Abu. Now king asked to the Abu, Abu, Is it really true that you have never lied? Is it really? You never lied? Tell me the truth now. Who said, dear? Text me who said? Who asked? The king. Yes, very good children. King. King asked Abu, you never lied? Is it true? Yeah. Now, Abu's replied. What he is going to reply now? Yes. It is true, my lord. What is the meaning of majesty? The terms we use is the king. My lord, my king, my majesty. That's okay. Yeah, it is true, my lord, my majesty. Yes, yes, it is true. I am always speaking truth only. I never lied. Who said? Tell me now, who said? Abu. Very good, Udaisha. Abu. Then, now the king said, now the king's turn. He said, okay, fine. And for the rest of your life, you will never lie. Okay, you told no, I never, till now, I never lying. Okay. So what about your future? Did you, do you lie or not? So Abu replied, I never lie, dear, in my future also. Next one, ma'am. I am absolutely
Yes, ma'am.
sure about that, Your Majesty. That means what that means? Yeah, sure. I never lied in my future also. Okay. Abu said. Then, now the king said, all right, Abu. Okay, fine. Continue tell the truth, but beware. What is the meaning of beware? Be careful. While we are speaking, we want to be aware. Okay. So a lie is cunning. What is the meaning of cunning? Secret. Okay. And it can get onto your tongue easily. Which one coming easily in our tongue? Tell me now. Which is coming easily in our tongue? Truth or lie? Lie. Yeah. But we have big nervous inside our mind, isn't it? Yes. So the king said, okay, you have to continue with be careful. So again, Abu going to his house. So after some days, the king again called Abu to his palace. After few days, the king called his subjects. Hello, come here. Who are you there? Go and bring them back. Who said? King said. Okay. Ma'am, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Can you see my
look
slide
at the
now?
slide now. Yeah, ma'am. Look at the image now. Look at the king. What do you observe? Text me now. Text me, children. What you are observe? See, the king has square bag, no? We already learnt in our first lesson. Square bag. Bow and arrow set there. So now he is, yeah, very good, Hashini. Hunting. He is ready for hunting now. So when Abu arrived, now Abu entered the entrance of the palace. Okay. So the king was just about to go hunting. There was a big crowd near the palace. So nearby the king, the big crowd there. See, some of the king objects are there. Okay. So some people are there. So that is called the crowd here. Because they are now get ready for the hunting. Is only for ready. Okay. Next one, ma'am. Now listen. What are the things you observed in the image? Tell me now. Tell me now. What are the you are observed in the image? One horse is there, and then the king is ready to climb on the horse, holding horse. Okay, his his subjects are standing near the king arrow. Yeah, he had a choir bag. Sorry, QR bag. Yeah, people are standing there. Okay, see. Okay, listen, children. Have anyone experienced horse riding? Tell me now. Have anyone experienced the horse riding in, especially in beach sites, Marina Beach or Basanagar Beach? Yes, most of them. Hasini, Chai, Saumya. Oh, okay. Most of them experience the horse rides. Okay. So, how can you climb on the horse, dears? Tell me. Tell me. Kodaikanal. Okay, dears. Yeah. In two sides of the horse, two rings are the iron rings are there, isn't it? That is called a stirrup. Okay. See, the horse have a long hair, right? Yeah. That is called a mane. Okay. So which animal have the mane like this? Give one example. Like horse. Give one more examples. Donkey, lion also. Okay, children. So listen. The king was holding his horse by the mane. Mane means that hair. Okay, the long hair, and his left foot. Look at the king's left foot on the stirrup. Stirrup means the iron loop. Okay, it's helped to climb on the horse. Next one, ma'am. These are Abu's observing there. Not only Abu's, you too also. Now, the king said, I want you to go to my summer palace. What is the meaning of summer palace? Do you know very well what is the palace? Isn't it? Palace. Have you seen anywhere? Give some examples for palace. I went Padmanabhapuram Palace. Then, and Mysore Palace also. There, that side. If anybody visit the palace, Mysore. Okay, then. Okay, the palace is the house for the king, right? What is the meaning of summer palace? It's like a guest house, dear. It's like the went occasionally. Okay, we are occasionally sent to Ooty, Kodaikanal like this and all, no? Like this. So if anybody know any summer palace in India, name that. Any summer palace you know? Okay, do you know Tipu Sultan Summer Palace in Bangalore? Okay, one summer palace in Bangalore that name was Tipu Sultan Summer Palace. In Tamil Nadu also we have one palace, Tamukam Palace. In Madurai, Tamukam in Tamil, in English we have to say summer. Okay, it is located in Madurai. Now it is modified Mahatma Gandhi Museum. Okay, children? Okay, so now the king said to the Abu, you want you go to the summer palace right now. Who said? Who said, dears? King. Tell the queen that will be with her for lunch, and she should prepare a big feast. What is the meaning of feast? You know that feast? What is the meaning of feast, dear? Tell me now. What is the meaning of feast? Different variety of delicious food, isn't it? Not food. It is the different variety of delicious food. Where you all have the feast, dears? Give some examples. Marriage, any birthday parties. Okay. So many varieties are available there. Veg, non-veg, yeah, marriage. Okay. You will also have lunch with me. Okay. So the king said to Abu, you go to the summer palace and convey the message. What is the message? prepare the big feast. Okay. To whom? Queen. Okay. So you will also have lunch with me tomorrow. This is the conversation here. Next slide, ma'am. So as usual, now Abu bowed respectfully and went to see the queen. Okay. Next one, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, see, the king was cheated now. We won't go hunting now. Who said? The king said to his subjects, we won't go hunting now. So whatever Abu tells the queen will be lie. Isn't it? Enjoy good laugh on his behalf. So tomorrow we will enjoy in front of the Abu. You are telling lie now. Like this. Okay. Next one, ma'am. Yeah. Now this is the summer palace. See, queen is there and Abu also there. Your Majesty, maybe you should prepare a big feast for lunch tomorrow, or maybe you should not. Who said? Abu said. See, because he was a clever man, he was a wise man, right? How he say? Your Majesty, maybe you should prepare a big feast for lunch tomorrow, or maybe you should not. You should or you should not. Because maybe the king will come by noon, or maybe he won't. He come or he won't come. Listen, why he is telling like this? The queen was confused. Abu, what happened to you? Why are you confusing me? What are you trying to tell now? Please give me a clear ones. Who said? Queen said. Okay. Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me sure, will he
Yes,
come or
ma'am.
not? Yeah. Queen, confused, right? Next one. So, what are that? Abu, listen, what are that happened in there? In that palace, Abu want to try to say, I don't know whether he put his right foot on the stirrup. I already told, right? Stirrup. Stirrup means the iron ring, okay? Or his left foot on the ground. And after I left. So till now I am seeing there. I don't know he is going for hunting or not. Okay, I don't know that. But he is telling this. Next one, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the tomorrow is coming. The king came the next day and said to the queen, he laughing now. Ha ha ha. Hey, listen. Yesterday Abu went said lying. No. Who said? The king said to the queen, but the queen said no. He's a wise man. So she explained what happened, what he said actually. The queen said to the king. The king was surprised, so surprised. What a such a wise man. I am very proud of him. Who said? The king said. Okay, dears. Ma'am, next one. The wise Abu, who says he never lies, actually lied to you yesterday. Who said? The king said. But the queen told him no. Because Abu is a wise man, right? He always speak the truth only. What he see, what he hear, that only he conveyed to the others. That's why only he said, I just see he ready to hunting. I don't know whether he go or not. Okay. So Abu was a wise man who meant what he said. Abu never lied and only spoke about things which he saw with his own eyes. So this, listen children, this is the moral of the story. Wise and honest people never get tricked. See, here the king is trying to cheat Abu, right? But Abu's clever man, right? So he thinks cleverly, and wise and honest people never get tricked. They trust in what they see and what they hear. Isn't it? This is the moral of the story, dears. I hope you all understand the story. Listen, I hope you all are make them okay. So avoid to you are speaking only little bit lying, isn't it? When you are breaking anything in your house, you have to hiding. Yes. So instead of that, you just try the truth to your mom. Okay. She will prize you. This is our moral of the story. So can you tell, so in this story, see, listen, in this story, what was the story name, dears? What was the story name? The man who never lied. In the story, we are seeing two more characters. Who are that? Abu, king, and his subject, and queen also. Okay, children? Okay. Now this is your turn, reflection time. Gunapriyan. Gunapriyan. Unmute your mic, Anna. Gunapriyan. Can you hear me? No? Hariharan? Hariharan? Unmute yourself and talk, dear. Yeah, Hariharan.
Yes, ma'am. Hariharan.
Yeah, dear. Okay. Who was the man who never lied in the story, dear? Who was the man who never lied in our tale?
His name.
Yeah. What was his name?
Very good.
Hariharan?
Abu.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer, dear. Abu. Okay.
Abu.
Yeah. Very good, children. Bavadarani?
Selva ma'am. Selva ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
I'll ask you only one thing.
Thank
I'll ask
you,
you
ma'am.
only thing.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
dear children, what lesson have you learned after reading this lesson, this story? What you have learned in that? That is a major part for our life. What is that? What we have learned? Never tell lie. Very good. This story showing how the man that never lied, isn't it? And outsmarted that foolish king at his own game. But the story is supposed to give off the message. What message that we got from that story? Honesty leading to success. Very good. That honesty leads to a fulfilling as well as if you see that you are reality. So it is about being real with yourself. So you have to follow that, and others about who you are. So you have to show that one. I'm always be what I am. So that part you have to prove by show your honesty. The honesty in the sense here, reality. Okay, children, that reality always we have to follow. Very good, dears. Very good. So this is the big moral of the story. We should follow in our future also. Okay? Very good, ma'am. Can you continue now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Continue.
Ma'am, can you call the name, ma'am?
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Mirlani?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Can you tell me any proverb related to honesty?
Honest. Deba.
Can you tell me any proverb, dear?
Okay, shall I ask you one question? Ma'am, I'll ask.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Did the queen prepare a feast for the king? Esma? Milani?
No.
No. Why? Why she didn't prepare? Because she didn't get that proper information from the Abu, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
May not? Yes. So that's the reason. Okay. The next one. The next person. Ritik. Ritik.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Listen now. What did the king ask Abu to be careful? What did the king ask Abu to be careful? Yes, Ritik.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting Ritik? What he asked to be very careful because you said he didn't lie. Yeah, lie is cunning. So it is easily to get into your tongue. So you have to be very careful. Very good, children. To be careful of tongue. Very good. So by that message only we got. Very next one. Okay, Ritik, can you please mute yourself? Soumya, mute yourself. Mute your video. Okay, Sabarish. 3C Sabarish.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Get my question, Sabarish. Okay. What was Abu's famous as? In what the Abu's famous as? Because
Honest.
honesty, isn't it? Very good. Honest, he never say lie. That honesty. Good. Good, my dear. Good. The next one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, can you next one? Ash. Krish. 3C Krish. Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Krish. Get my question now. What did the king agree finally? What did the king agree finally? He agreed no something about Abu. What he agreed? Then please. Abu told the truth. That means he agreed. What the king agreed? That Abu was really a wise man who spoke what he saw with his own eyes. Nothing more, nothing less. Isn't it? So finally, king agreed. Isn't it? Yes or no, children?
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no? Yes. Very good. Okay. The next one. Soumya, please mute your video. Soumya, mute your video. Venika. Venika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What message did the king give for the queen? What message did the king give for the queen? What message he gave?
Please.
Huh? Huh? What you have to prepare?
What you have to prepare?
To prepare? Because he asked
Because
to whom? Abu? Tell the queen. Very good. Tell the queen that I'll be with her for lunch and asked her to prepare big feast. Isn't it? Very good. The last one. Kirti Arini. Kirti Arini.